A successful audit starts with clearly defining the scope, criteria, and objectives. These elements guide the audit process, ensuring it is focused, efficient, and aligned with business and regulatory requirements. In this lesson, we'll cover 1. What is audit scope and how to define it? 2. Understanding audit criteria. 3. Setting clear audit objectives. By carefully planning these components, auditors can conduct more effective and meaningful audits that provide real value to organizations. 1. What is audit scope and how to define it? The audit scope defines the boundaries and extent of an audit. It determines what will and will not be included, ensuring the audit remains focused and relevant. Key elements of audit scope. Processes to be audited. Which departments, procedures, or systems will be examined? Time frame. What period will the audit cover, e.g. the last 6 months, 1 year? Locations. Will the audit cover a single site, multiple locations, or a supplier? Regulatory and standard requirements. Are there specific rules, ISO 9001, IATF 6949, AS 9100, etc., that apply? Audit type. Is it an internal, external, supplier, or compliance audit? 2. Understanding audit criteria. The audit criteria are the benchmarks against which audit findings are evaluated. They define what is considered compliant or non-compliant. Types of audit criteria. Legal and regulatory standards, ISO 9001, ISO 14001, FDA GMP, OSHA regulations. Industry best practices, IATF 6949 automotive, AS 9100 aerospace, ISO 13485 medical devices. Internal company policies, quality manuals, standard operating procedures, SOPs, corporate governance rules, contractual agreements, supplier contracts, service level agreements, SLAs. 3. Setting clear audit objectives. The audit objectives define the goals of the audit and what it aims to achieve. Clear objectives ensure the audit provides valuable insights rather than just a checklist review. Key audit objectives may include ensuring compliance, verifying that a company follows ISO, FDA, or industry-specific standards. Assessing process efficiency, identifying bottlenecks, waste, or areas for improvement. Risk management, identifying potential risks and vulnerabilities. Supplier evaluation, verifying that vendors meet quality and contractual requirements. Customer satisfaction improvement, assessing whether processes align with customer expectations. Key takeaways. Audit scope defines what the audit will cover, including processes, locations, and timelines. Audit criteria are the standards and benchmarks against which findings are evaluated. Audit objectives define the purpose of the audit and what it aims to achieve. By clearly defining scope, criteria, and objectives, auditors can conduct structured, relevant, and high-impact audits that drive real improvements. In the next lesson, we'll explore how to conduct effective audit interviews and gather reliable evidence.